There's something noticeably different about homemade pizza when the heat is right, the crust develops real texture, and the cooking experience feels intentional rather than improvised. And surprisingly, not every outdoor pizza oven delivers that consistently. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we focus on practical, premium product decisions designed to last. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Mont Alpi stainless steel portable propane gas pizza oven. This is a compact outdoor pizza oven built for people who enjoy authentic pizza cooking at home, while also wanting versatility for backyard gatherings, camping, and tailgating. If you've been considering upgrading from a standard grill setup or entry-level pizza solution, this product immediately becomes relevant. And as always, the purchase link is available in the description below. What makes the Mont Alpi stand out is that it approaches outdoor cooking with a more refined balance of portability, durability, and controlled performance. It's not simply designed to cook pizza quickly, it's designed to create a more reliable outdoor cooking experience overall. Reason 1. Premium stainless steel construction built for long-term ownership. The first thing that gives this pizza oven credibility is the use of marine-grade 304 stainless steel. This material is widely respected for its resistance to rust, weather exposure, and long-term wear, especially in outdoor environments. For buyers investing in an outdoor cooking appliance, durability matters just as much as cooking performance. The compact footprint also makes storage easier, without sacrificing structural confidence. Backed by a 5-year warranty, the overall ownership experience feels reassuring from the beginning. Reason 2. Excellent heat retention for authentic pizza texture. The included 12-inch pizza stone heats quickly and distributes temperature evenly across the cooking surface. In practical use, this helps achieve the crisp crust and balanced finish people typically struggle to recreate with standard home ovens. Whether you prefer thin crust, traditional-style pizza, or slightly thicker dough, the oven generates the kind of high heat necessary for better texture and faster cooking results. The consistency here is especially important for repeat use. Reason 3. More versatile than a traditional pizza oven. One of the strongest advantages of the Mont Alpi is that it doesn't limit itself to pizza alone. It functions effectively as a compact outdoor oven capable of roasting chicken, vegetables, fish, tri-tip, and even smaller cuts of prime rib. That versatility increases its value significantly for buyers who enjoy outdoor cooking beyond occasional pizza nights. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this flexibility is one of the reasons the oven continues to stand out in a crowded category. Reason 4. Precise temperature management improves cooking confidence. Temperature consistency is often the difference between enjoyable outdoor cooking and frustrating trial and error. The adjustable tubular airflow system allows more controlled heat management, while the integrated temperature display adds another layer of confidence during cooking. Instead of constantly guessing internal heat levels, users can make controlled adjustments that lead to more predictable results. For beginners and experienced outdoor cooks alike, that precision matters. Reason 5. Portable design with fuel flexibility. Despite its premium construction, the Mont Alpi remains compact enough for transportation and storage. It's practical for patios, camping setups, tailgating events, and smaller outdoor spaces where full outdoor kitchens aren't realistic. The included propane setup works immediately out of the box, while natural gas conversion compatibility offers long-term flexibility for homeowners wanting a more permanent setup later on. Final verdict: the Mont Alpi portable gas pizza oven succeeds because it combines thoughtful construction, reliable cooking performance, and genuine versatility in a size that remains manageable for everyday use. It's important to note that this is still a compact outdoor oven, so larger cooking batches may require patience, and mastering high-heat pizza cooking does involve a small learning curve. But for buyers who value durability, authentic cooking results, and flexible outdoor use, those trade-offs feel reasonable. This product is best suited for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, pizza lovers, and homeowners who want a premium portable cooking experience without committing to a massive built-in setup. It stands out not because it tries to overcomplicate the process, but because it focuses on doing the fundamentals exceptionally well. And often, those are the products people end up enjoying for years rather than seasons.